the second video of the Fusion 360. In the previous video, we have worked with the Fusion 360 interface and the settings tools and the sketch tools. We have explained that how much we common, how we can work with sketch tools, and what is the difference. So the more sketch tools are available in previous video. Okay, if you are missing that, you can watch the video and continue with this. Okay, today we are going to work with a solid design. Okay, so for that we just need to do please we need to run the sketch. So for that I'm going to select the sketch tool and go selecting the plane and drawing some body sculpted polygon for example. Okay, so I just want to direction this way or in this way. Well, just for example, I just want to, you can draw in this way, but I want this space has to be parallel. How you can do that? I'm just going to random this like this. Okay. Now what I can do is, here you can see observe the point, right? And these are the constraint tools which are attached to this edge guys. So you can observe it. Okay. So I'm just to select the center point, and I'm going to select the center. While selecting the 2 points, you just need to press Control key and select the 2 or more points or lines like this. And here is the constant horizontal vertical. Just click on it. Now we get into parallel to it. Okay. Now I want to give the dimension for it. So let me give an example. One line dimension is enough, guys. You don't need to give the all line because all line is equal. Okay. I just want to give 100. Okay. Now finish sketch. Now we are acquired the model. Now we need to do the solid operations. What are solid operations available here? Extrude, revolve, hole, patterns, and form. Form is different, guys. I'll explain you at the last because it is new to this Fusion 360. I mean to the CAD form. So I'm going to explain the which are available, which are already known. Okay. Select the extrude tool, and we need to select the face, and it will show the directions. This the arrow direction is going to pull either of the directions. You can just click on it and drag it. It will go in any either way. Okay. And here this pop-up will come out, and as you can see, this is the profile plane I started with, or we can use the offset tool. Either you can do offset from the profile, just like a given dimensions here. You just need to give dimensions manually. Just for example, I want to give 10. So it is offset from the sketch to back side. It is offset to 2. Okay, and if you don't want to offset, just give 0, and this works. And okay, sorry, it unfortunately goes. How you can re-edit this? So at the below bar, you can see the history is going to be saved. From here, you can edit the operations which you are applied to these solid operations. Just right click on it, and you can see the edit feature option. Click on it. Now again, it come option. And there is an option called object. Start extrusion from face or a plane that you select. See, I'm going to start from this plane or as one of it. And here one side, 2 side, and symmetric. If you want to work symmetric, it will work symmetric. That's symmetric. Now it's going to work with the symmetric, and if you want 2 side, you can give 2 side dimensions. Okay, just like this. These are the 2 side dimensions that is available. For now, I'm going to do that 1 side, and this distance, and this is a taper angle. Taper angle, that is nothing but which we learn in Onshape, that is draft 2 is added in the extrude tool. That is the same one. Here you can see the rotate option, right? This is the taper tool use. If you want If you want to drag outside, it will drag outside. If you drag inside, it will drag inside. See, like this. So like this, you can edit the tapper and make the shapes. Okay. And guys, it is more versatile than the Onshape design because it will show only some about 1 degrees, but you can see you can add also negative negative angles also. Okay. So that is the work with, and in the operation you can see join, cut, intersect, and import. You know what is that? Join means like I'm adding, cutting means remove, intersect means intersecting two, new body means you got a new body. Okay, like this you can make it. And here is thin extrude. Yeah. This is a solid body. This is the solid extrude you can do with it. Okay. Now let's work with the thin extrude. Let's kind of just want to hide this body. How you can do that? You can see the bodies right. Just drop down it, and you can see the body one and hide it. And if you want to see the sketches, drag it, and you can see the sketches here. Drag it. So sketch one is getting is available, but it's showing. Okay, I'm delete it. Okay. Now set the extrude tool again, and here it is a thin extrude. Just switch into it and select it. It's asking profile to select. Select it. So it has all selected. Now drag it. Now we got this thin extrude of the profile. If we want shining, this shining is different. Okay guys, let's deselect it. This shining is work when you work with a different, like for example, just like you add this line, and if you want to add shine, because it's like a tangent, which is going to select beside it. So that's why you should share the channel. Okay. Now, and this is the same tools which are available, which we discussed. The side one, side two, central. Location, side one, side two, and center. And this wall location stress is the thickness of this uh, thin extrude part. Because let's, for example, let me zoom in, then you can understand. This is from center, which means it is going to extrude through centers. But if you want a side one, it is coming to the inside. Inside wall thickness is increasing, and if you want a side two, outside is increasing. And if I select the center, it comes to the center. So in this way, you can, by watching the profile, you can understand. See, we set the center. If you want to side one, it's going to the inside. If you want to side two, it's going to the outside. If you want a center, it's going to the center. So in this way, you can perform, and you can also change thickness. And one thing, guys, you can also tap here. This one also. See, you can tap this one also. So, and you can change thickness manually if you want. Just for example, give 2 and 2. And this is the part we issue. Let's show the other one for you also. Okay. Now, in this way, you can work with the Extrude tool in Fusion 360. The every tool has a different versatile options here, guys. I'll explain in detail. But for now, I just want to explain simply with small videos. That's why I'm not going to make the longer videos for this. But I'm just ending this video with the Extrude tool only. Okay. So thanks for watching this video, guys. In upcoming tools, I'm going to explain every tool video within short videos. So therefore, you can understand easily and might not get bored to watch the video. Thanks for watching. And if you like our content, please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. ChandraAwesome.